In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to move a base in Airtable, Workspace Organization 2026. If you're reorganizing your Airtable setup, moving a base to the right workspace keeps your projects tidy and your team's permissions clean. A base is the project container, and a workspace is the folder it lives in. Here's how to move one safely and confidently. Open your browser and go to airtable.com. Sign into your account using your usual method. This can be with a password, single sign-on, or a code sent to your device, whatever you normally use. Once you're in, you'll land on your home dashboard. On the dashboard, you'll see your recent items and the bases in your workspaces. Locate the base you want to move. If it's not in Recents, switch to the workspace where it currently lives and scroll until you find it. Hover your mouse over that base tile to reveal additional controls. Click the three dots, also known as the More menu. This opens a drop-down with management options for that base. Choose Move. A dialog will appear prompting you to select a destination workspace. Pick the workspace you want to move the base into. Before you confirm, take a moment to consider access. When you move a base, it inherits the sharing and billing context of the destination workspace. Make sure you have the right permissions and that your collaborators will still have access where needed. When you're ready, confirm by clicking Move. At this point, Airtable may show a confirmation panel with details. In some cases, you'll see options related to duplication, such as duplicate untitled base. If you encounter this flow, decide whether to include records and comments in the copy. Note that revision history never carries over when duplicating. Review the destination shown in the dialog so the new base lands where you expect, then click Duplicate Base to proceed. This approach is helpful when you want to keep the original base unchanged and create a separate version in another workspace. After the move or duplication completes, navigate to the destination workspace to verify the base is there. Open it, spot check a few tables and views, and confirm collaborators can access it as intended. If the base is part of automations or extensions, double check that everything still runs in the new location. That's it. You've successfully moved your base and kept your workspace organized. Thanks for watching, and happy building!